Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing about the mystery of Mount KOUBRU or KOUBRU. Hope you enjoy it.
These are mysteries of Mount KOUBRU. In Kangpokpi, near Saitu village, rises Mount Kupalu, aka KOUBRU. One day, a group of tribals hiking came. They set up camp near the sacred pond, cooked food, and laughed in the cold mountain air. But when the cook cut a small tree to carve a wooden spatula and stirred the boiling fish curry, a terror unfolded.
What was that? It was right there.
These are mysteries of Mount KOUBRU.
One day, a tribal went to the forest to collect wild garlic.
Again and again, he walked toward his village, only to return to the same place, till dusk fell.
He realized something was wrong.
At last, he returned the garlic. Only then did the spell lift, and he walked safely home.
But KOUBRU holds yet another mystery. In the cold winters of December,
One can see a flashing white light appears on the peak, the sign of the Ghost King's Gong, the sacred Dahkang. It is said a hunter once stole Dahkang, covering it with cow dung to hide its glow.
these are the mysteries of Mount KOUBRU, the tree that brings life, the garlic that traps man in time, and the white gong of the Ghost King called Dakang. To this day, they remain untold secrets, whispered only in the winds of the sacred peak. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.
Ta cha nu le, ta cha pa ten, về phong xoang in, sự lăng đã tu